Good morning. Vidyalakshmi Instruction 1. Instruction 1 for the children of grade 12 and grade 10 matriculation school. This is regarding your government unit test 1 for this month. Dear children, you should know very well that things are fluid. We do not know how our board exam system will be, but we should be ready for everything. You, dear children, you have completed your May monthly test, June monthly test, and July monthly test, and now getting ready for August. By this time, yesterday we have received a message from the government stating that we have to go for one unit test, especially for only 10 as well as 12th grade, not for 11th grade. So the portion is given you, the timetable is given you, you have to take your examination, that is unit test 1, how we have been doing so far. It's not a new to you, right? Every time, because now you are all well experienced, right? As usual, you have to write the test. Mail ID of the teachers concerned will be given you. I repeat, dear children, mail ID of the teachers concerned will be given you. You should write the test on time. You will be monitored by the teachers team as usual. You will finish the test on time as usual. Post the paper, PDF should be mailed to your teachers concerned immediately, the same day itself. The same day itself, correct? This is point number 1. Point number 2, after completing all the papers, all the examinations, you have to come to school with the file. You know how to file. Already we have informed you. The file also should come to school. Dear children, so when you post the papers to us, we will correct it and we'll go for result analysis meeting as usual, wherein we will discuss all your marks, all your grades. Is it clear? And point number 2, you are to submit your papers at school. That is for recordically. Dear children, let me tell one thing to you. This year, class 12 board examination, children, how the marks were allotted, you know very well. Those children, they wrote their 10th standard examination, government examination, that marks. 11th standard examination, government examination, they have written that marks, plus this year internal marks of school and then practical marks, totally 30. Okay, that is how it is given. And 10th standard regarding, till time government did not tell anything. The reason is, these children, they did not have any evidence of examination. Okay, so our school, we have written this 9th standard examination, that is recordically, that's it. Other than that, there is no government examination. But now, you should be very much alert. This examination, this unit test, you should take up very seriously. If things go wrong, if the corona is being extended, naturally, the government may come for this exam paper also. That's it. Dear children, grade 10 and 12, you should be serious. Always listen to the school instruction, Vidyalakshmi instruction. Okay, this is for especially for the board classes. Is it clear? So now you could view the portion as well as the timetable of these classes. This is for 10th class. 10th class first test, unit test. That is Monday, 9th August, Tamil. 10th, English. 11, Wednesday, mathematics. And 12th, Thursday, science. And 13th, Friday, social science. The test time 10 to 11, 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock. So you should be alert. And 8 o'clock our session starts. And 8 to 8:40, one doubt clarification session will be there for you, the previous, the particular test. And then you will go for self-study for some time to have a glance at. 10 o'clock sharp, you will come for exam. Okay. So this is very easy for you because this is not at all new for you. I repeat, May month you wrote a test, June, July, all the 3 are over for you, you know that. Is it clear? The same way, grade 12, there is only one more day, 6th Friday. 6th Friday, your test starts with Tamil, English, physics, economics, chemistry, accountancy, mathematics and zoology, so on. So on. Your tests are going on now. And this is today, you are concentrating your matrix mathematics, right? Clear? So do well, be focused, and be ready for anything as you have been doing that. So you will not be in trouble at all. You will never be in trouble, right? Okay, that's it now. That is the instruction from my side. Vidya Lakshmi instruction 1 today. God bless you children. Thank you all.